Good day everyone, welcome back to our Home Economics online class, Module 1, Part 1, Week 1, Dressmaking 8. I am Miss Marianne Fonte. Okay, Lesson 3, Parts and Functions of Sewing Machine. So, natapos na rin naman po natin ang Lesson 1, which is all about the tools and materials used in sewing. So, unang po naman, natandaan nyo yung mga tools and materials natin. And then, yung Lesson 2, which is all about the types of sewing machine. We are now in Lesson 3, Parts and Functions of Sewing Machine. Okay, so this is an example of sewing machine. So we have here the parts of our sewing machine. So this one, the first one is we have the spool pin. Number 2, the bobbin winder spindle. Number 3 is the bobbin winder stopper. The number 4, stitch with dial. Stitch with dial. Number 5, this one, the pattern selector dial. Then, number 6, hand wheel. Number 7, stitch length dial. Number 8, reverse stitch lever. The number 9, this is the power switch. Next, number 10 is the bobbin winder thread guide. So this is the bobbin winder thread guide. Then, number 11, thread tension dial. Thread tension dial. Number 12, thread take-up lever. Thread take-up lever. Then, number 13, needle clamp screw. Needle clamp screw. Number 14, presser foot. Presser foot. Number 15 is the bobbin cover. Bobbin cover. Number 16, bobbin cover release button. So this one. And then number 17 is the feed dog. Number 18 is the needle. And then number 19 is what we called the needle plate. Okay, functions of sewing machine parts. So the first one is the spool pin. The main function of the spool pin is to hold the spool of thread. So yan po nilalagay ang ating sinulid. So nasa taas po yan ang ating sewing machine. The second one is the bobbin binder spindle. The function is, during winding, the bobbin is placed here. So dyan po nilalagay, kung tayo po ay naglalagay ng sinulid doon sa ating bobbin. Number 3 is the bobbin winder stopper. The function is, when bobbin reaches its optimum capacity, then bobbin winder stopper stops the bobbin to wind. Okay, number 4, stitch with dial. The main object of stitch with dial is to control the zigzag stitch. Control the zigzag stitch. Kung gusto po natin na straight or medyo zigzag, so ito po ang ating pipindutin, yung stitch with dial. Number 5 is the pattern selector dial. Pattern selector dial is to set the symbol of the desired switch pattern. Number 6, hand wheel. Hand wheel is used to raise and lower the needle, which is situated in the right side of the sewing machine. So, lagi po natin itong makikita sa right side na kung saan yan po ang hinahawakan natin pag tayo po ay gusto ng magtahi o simula na ang pagtatahi. Number 7, stitch length dial. Stitch length dial is used to control the length of the stitch. So yan po yung nag-control para kung gusto natin na mahaba yung pagtahi or maikli lang. Number 8, reverse stitch lever. So the main function is the machine will sew in the reverse while the lever is pushed. Number 9, power switch. So yan, the on and off office of the sewing machine. Normally, power switch is located at the right side of our machine. Number 10, bobbin winder thread guide. So the function is, these types of thread guide are used during bobbin winding. Number 11, thread tension dial. Thread tension dial is used to control the tension on the top thread. So, for example, nagtatay na po tayo, siya po yung hinihigpitan niya po, halimbawa ay medyo masikip yung sinulid, hindi siya tumatakbo, kaya yun, yan ang ating ginagalaw para maluwagan yung sinulid, para maganda yung pagka-galaw ng ating thread habang nagtatay. Number 12 is the thread take-up lever. During sewing, the top thread passes through the thread take-up lever. The thread take-up lever moves up and down with the needle. So, yan po, dyan po sinusugot ang ating mga sinulid at siya yung para naghihila doon sa ating sinulid habang nagtatay. Okay, number 13, needle clamp screw. Needle clamp screw holds the needle in its actual place. Siya po yung humahawak. Siya po yung, dyan po nilalagay ang ating karayong para hindi po masyadong magalaw habang tayo po ay nagtatayo. And then, yan po ay hinihigpitan pag okay na para hindi po magalaw ang ating karayong. Number 14 is the presser foot. So, para po siyang, para ngipin po siya or paa. Presser foot holds the fabric in its definite place. Siya po yung umiipit sa ating tela habang po tayo ay nagtatayo para hindi masyadong magalaw. Magiging maganda po yung resulta kapag nakaipit yung ating tela habang tayo po ay nagtatayo. Number 15, bobbin cover. During sewing, the bobbin cover protects and covers the bobbin holder. Siya po yung takip ng ating sewing machine doon sa may mga nakalagay na mga bobbin case, bobbin winder, doon yun. Pinakang takip siya. Number 16, bobbin cover release button. This type of button is used to release the cover for entrance to the bobbin. So yan, bobbin cover release button. Number 17 is the feed dog. So, yan, para nipil po siya. During sewing, the feed dog pulls the fabric in forward. So, yan, yung parang hinihila niya yung tela habang nagtatayo. Number 18 is the needles. Needle is used to form a stitch in the garment. So, yan naman talaga ang pinakang gamit na ginagamit natin pag tayo ay nagtatayo, yung needle, which is, yung partner niya is yung sinulid. Number 19, needle plate. Needle plate is a metal plate which is situated under the needle and presser foot. It helps to move the fabric forward during sewing.
Okay, that's it for the parts and functions of our sewing machine. So maraming bahagi ang makinang panahian at bawat bahagi ay mahalaga at mayroong tungkuling ginagampanan upang gumana o tumakbo ng maayos ang ating makina. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.